Hi and welcome back to Spodon Works. In this video I'm gonna show you how to use your parking brake in 2012 Jeep Compass. This is gonna apply to Jeep Compass made from 2010 and all the way up to 2017. This generation of Jeep Compass is equipped with manual handbrake or parking brake, and it is located right in the middle console. So when you came from your driving, so you are in drive, you stopped, you will put your vehicle in parking. While still holding brake pedal, you will pull your handbrake. Now you can release your brake pedal, and this is how you apply your parking brake. And now you can turn your vehicle off. And now your vehicle's parking brake is engaged. Now, when you go back in the car and you wanna drive away, first you will start your vehicle, and then before shifting your gear into the drive or reverse, you will release your parking brake, and then you can shift and you can drive away. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.